Hi, I'm Andy. I am here with TentCraft, and I'm going to show you guys how to change out a MONARCHTENT scissor piece. It's a pretty easy process. Shouldn't take you too long. You need a couple tools. You need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver and some able arms. First step, we're going to open up the tent just a little bit. We don't want it fully open. We want it kind of in the middle here. Next step after that, what we're going to do, I'm going to pull off the corner of the tent. There's a piece of Velcro that's holding this canopy on. It gets strapped up here. We're going to get this canopy out of the way and safe. For shorter people like myself, you'll want to grab a step ladder. Each one of these scissor pieces have 4 connection points. Up top, down low, up top again, and down low. You'll want to, the process is basically we're going to take out all 4 screws, all 4 bolts, put the new scissor piece in, and then re-bolt, re-put the canopy on, you'll be good to go. Pretty quick process. Okay, now that we have those bolts out, next step is we're gonna pull this out. It should be fairly on its way to being falling out anyways. But let's get this old one out, then we'll bring in the new one. New one, you're gonna have the barrel bolts with you already. The idea here is we're just gonna replace everything right back where it was. So line up the holes on the hardware and then line up the holes on the scissor pieces. Same thing, opposite way when we put these together. It's a barrel bolt, so you'll have a bigger end here and then the screw here. The trick is to make sure you just get this lined up pretty easily here. Okay, the first step I do like to have, just kind of hand tighten them, get everything in place, and then I'll come by through and retighten everything. Same process as you unbolted them. So that's the easy, simple process. This is gonna go for all of the scissor pieces, internal and out, the external out here. So this will be the same process. You're just unbolting and rebolting and putting things back together. After you get all those changed out, let's get the canopy back on. Now in this corner of the canopy, there is a Velcro strap. We're gonna make sure this Velcro strap goes around the top portion of that bar. Boom, and you're back in business.